Hello everyone and welcome to another programming video. This one's an exciting one and I haven't had much time to really build it out, but for what I have in initial testing, I'm pretty impressed with. So you could just create new components over here by just clicking on a button and it will add that component to the graph. As you can see here, we have plotly graphs. As I interact with them, it doesn't affect the canvas, but I can actually drag the canvas and move it around. So each one of these components is isolated to the component itself, so you can actually interact with them. As you can see, I can interact with the map, zoom them into specific places, or for Dash Excalidraw, for example, I could just draw nearly anything I want and it will get drawn on the screen as I just created that little box and uploaded that picture. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I think that this could be useful in a few ways. I have a few ideas myself for how I could use it. It also works with resizing. So as I zoom out, everything gets smaller. As I zoom in, everything gets larger. And then this just positions everything on the screen in the middle. So yeah, there's a lot of features out of the box with this. It doesn't directly work with mobile yet. There are a few bugs, but for what I was able to do in a day to kind of get a proof of concept developed, I feel pretty good about it, and I feel like I could take this a bit further and to build out something that's a bit more polished. So the reason why I'm creating this video is to reach out to those that build within the Dash framework. What would you like to see in a component like this? Because like I said, some of the most popular components I built were similar, but a bit different than this. They weren't like complete whiteboard functionality, but they were like constructible layouts. This one is more geared towards like a whiteboard, maybe drop in data science, put notes on it. You have interactive graphs, you can move it around, but yeah, I've never seen anything like this within the Dash ecosystem, and it's exciting to kind of build something out like this. But with the possibilities and how many there are, I don't know what direction to take this. So I'm reaching out to you directly to ask you, what would you like to see in a component like this? What features of this resonate with you, and where would you integrate this in your own work? So yeah, that's basically my question. And with that, if you find this interesting or useful, like and subscribe, because I put out a lot of great content, just kind of with my innovation and what I build out, and you can follow and I guess learn something, if not just get ahead of really cool releases like this one before they get published. So yeah, with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.